To use YouTube Music offline. Well, hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can use YouTube Music offline. Well, if you want to download songs and set it for offline viewing through YouTube Music and you want to listen to songs while even when you're offline, then you will need the YouTube Premium subscription or YouTube Music subscription. So you can see the upgrade option here on within YouTube Music. You can see here if you are new, then you can try 1 month for free. So this is you can tap on it and proceed to either individual plan, family plan, or student plan, and you can get the particular plan. Then once you have the subscription, then you'll get the option to download the song. So you can see here I don't have the option for downloading here currently. Even if I do have the option, even if I do get the option here, there will be no option to save it for offline viewing. So you can see here. But if you do have the subscription on the mobile app, you'll be able to download it for offline listening. So that way you do not need to be connected to internet once you have saved or downloaded the song. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe as well.